My video is about removing pop-ups by the site kelpmetoriali.com. It's a junk site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on allow, supposedly to help you verify that you are not a robot. Some other versions tell you that you need to click on allow to download some file. But if you click on that allow button, your browser will be hijacked with many intrusive ads that will be displayed in the form of repeated web push notifications. To fix your browser and to stop these ads, access the menu, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security Site Settings. In Permissions, click on Notifications and carefully get rid of all these junk and filthy sites if you find them on the list. Carefully, one by one, make sure you get rid of all these deceptive and filthy sites. There may be a lot of them, by the way, at the same time. So you need to make sure you get rid of them all. There is a software that can help you do that automatically, and I recommend you to use it. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.